Hi friends, this video shows how to block ads using ad blockers. Let me open this Samsung Internet. Tap on this Samsung Internet app icon. Let me refresh this page. Here we can see one ad. Let me refresh it. Again, that ad is loading here. I will show you how we can block these ads. Tap on these three lines over here. Go to ad blockers. Here you can see list of ad blockers. These are add-ons. I already installed one add-on here. See, ad block for Samsung Internet. If you want to install another ad blocker from this list, just tap on this button. That way we can download and install. Let me enable this add-on, ad block for Samsung Internet. Done. See, then go back to web page. Let me refresh. See, now that ad is not loading. So this way we can block ads using ad blockers. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.